Buldak challenge, part 2. Okay, this is Buldak spicy times 2. I had the spicy cheese one yesterday, and it wasn't spicy at all, like a 4 out of 10. So we'll see how this one goes. Here we go. Maybe my tolerance is just too high. Once again, I'm disappointed.
Really?
This is times 2.
It's really spicy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, eating beef enoki rolls as a side dish. Okay, it's building. Talking too much shit. It's like, I would say 7, 8 out of 10. More like a 7. I still don't think it's that bad yet. Last bite. Okay, that was like 5 bites. So it definitely builds. It starts off like 5, 6 at the first bite, and then by halfway through, it gets to like a 7, 8, and it cools back down. But still expected a lot more from 2 times. Maybe next time I'll try the 4 times.
3 times.
3 times? 4 doesn't exist?
I don't think it does.
3 times.
Maybe it does.